Hey guys, today's alarm clock. So first we have the Bradley Star Wars alarm clock. I gotta wind it because it's slow. There. Next we got this alarm clock. That's a keychain one. This one here. Here's the key. And I'm gonna go wind it. I'm gonna demo the alarm for you. So we have my Howard Miller alarm clock. Sharp alarm clock. I use this to wake me up. Another Howard Miller one. The wind-up travel alarm clock. Got a square clock. The Crosby alarm clock. The West Clocks alarm clock. I fixed the second hand. The Spider-Man one. The Minions one. Okay, I'll just demo the bell. And this one. And the West Clocks, the other West Clocks one. And then the clock in a can, which I like. I got that for Christmas. And that single bell alarm clock. The West Clocks Big Ben. That alarm clock. The big alarm clock. Any more? Oh, that's pretty much it. Okay. Bye.